Welcome to the GovCMS Content Administration Training Series. Hi, I'm Ivan from Salsa Digital, and in this video, you will learn how to create, edit, and archive content in GovCMS. We'll cover the following 3 topics. You'll learn how to create content from the content management area. Then you'll learn how to edit existing content. And finally, you'll learn how to archive content once it's no longer needed. So far in this video series, we've covered how to access the content form, we've talked about the different content types and fields, and we've covered how to use the rich text editor. Now let's go ahead and create some actual content, because at the end of the day, this is a content management system. So make sure you are logged in and you are in the content management area. And let's start things off by clicking on Add Content. And let's create a standard page. Let's enter in a title, and I'll enter in Contact Us. And I'll enter in some dummy text. And let's go ahead and add a featured image. So I will select it using the checkbox, and then I'll scroll down and click on Select Image. And from the Save As dropdown, I will select Needs Review. We'll cover content moderation in another video, but for now, I'll just select Needs Review, and then I'll click on Save. And now you can see our first page, which we created. So we have our title up the top here, we have our featured image, and we also have the text from the body field. At this point, we have created a page, but now let's look at editing the page. If you are currently on the actual page itself, you can modify or edit the page by clicking on this edit button right here. You can also edit the page from the content management area. So let me go ahead and click on Content, and I'll scroll down a bit, and here you can see our Contact Us page. And on the right, from the Operations column, I can simply click on Edit. Both links will take you to the same form. Let's go back to the page that we just created. Now, I should mention that this page isn't published yet, because if I was to open up another browser, and let me first copy this URL. So let me go ahead and open up a private window. And if I go directly to this Contact Us page, you will see that we get an access denied message. And I'll just minimize this. And if we go to the content management area, we can see that our Contact Us page has a status of unpublished. But if we want to publish this page, all we need to do is edit the page, scroll down to the Change To dropdown, and then select Published, and then click on Save. And now, if we scroll down a bit, we can see that our Contact Us has been published. And if we view our other browser, let's just refresh, we can now access the page as an anonymous user. But as I mentioned earlier, we will cover content moderation in another video. I just wanted to mention how to publish the page. At some point in the future, you will need to archive content in GovCMS. Archiving a page will simply unpublish it. It won't delete it. So you can always come back and restore the content. So let's go ahead and archive our Contact Us page. So here is the page that we created, and let's go and edit the page. And if we scroll all the way down to the Change To dropdown, currently it's set to published. To archive it, all we need to do is change it to archived, and then just click on Save. And then you can see here that the status of the Contact Us page has been changed to unpublished. If you want to restore the page, again, edit the page, and then scroll all the way down and simply save the page. And you can see that the state will change automatically to draft, and then you need to go through the whole workflow to publish it. Let's now recap what we covered in this video. First, you learned how to create content from the content management area. Then we looked at how to edit content. And finally, we looked at how to archive content.